I don't know if anyone actually have this type of problem when you have a car that's like borderline not passing the inspection, and it's just like you feel like you can pass but you can't, and you didn't. That's me right now. I thought I can get it and I didn't. And one of the issues that I was told at the inspection place is that my brake light wasn't working for my Q45. And I was like, easy, right? No. This is the third brake light that my Q has. And it's LED. Full LED. And it's dead. What am I gonna do? Because I can't replace the bulbs. And that's exactly what we're doing today. We're gonna find out why is it dead. Then we're going to revive this with a new LED, but I don't have enough LED to make this work. So I'm gonna basically create a custom third brake light. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, let's get right in. I just cracked it open and I found the problem. You see that one? It's disconnected, and this is where the power cable is coming from. So if this is connected, I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. So we're gonna do that real quick and then test it. It's really ghetto, but I did connect it, so we're gonna test it out to see if it works or not. Nice. It's really hard to see, but nice. So it works. So now this can go back in the car. Despite of, not being able to pass, but I feel like I got a lot done. I also felt like I got to learn about the car even more. And for the next video, for the Q45, I'm gonna be doing something. It's not gonna be big. This is also something that I have to do in order for me to pass safety. So it might be something that you guys might feel entertained. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for, continuous support. And I really feel like this might be a really cool project that I'm building right now. And the fact that I'm building this in an apartment complex is just insane. And I'm gonna be doing some crazy work being done in public places, because I don't have a garage. And I want to show people that you don't need a garage for you to be a car guy. Don't let that be the excuse to not work on your own car. But that's all. Alright, well, make sure to subscribe, follow all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.